In this lecture, I'm going to show you the Spin Rewriter software that is 100% free with the course. This Spin Rewriter software is one of the best software that is used to generate unique articles. You can make use of this software to create articles for your CPA accounts, Amazon, Clickbank, etc. So make sure you use this software to generate unique and best articles. You can see that this software costs $197 per year and $47 per month. But I have provided the login details for the students who enroll to the course completely free so that you can be benefited through this software. So make use of this opportunity to create good articles. You can also see that there are many good reviews for this software. So in my next lectures, I'll be showing you about how to generate articles using Spin Rewriter. I have provided the login details for you along with this lecture. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact me through discussion board.